Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me thank you all for having me here. And what I'd like to present to you today is about quantitative journal with pre-experimental research design. And then this talk is designed to give the background about a kind of quantitative journals, this is my research design with pre-experimental. Title of the research is Teaching Writing Through Canva Application to Enhance Students' Writing Performance. And for this presentation, I divide the materials with 5 parts. The first part is abstract. This contains the aim, the method, and how to collecting data, sample. The second is introduction. It is talking about what is known, what is unknown, and the gap study. The third part is research method. This is talking or discuss about the research design, the instruments, and the data analysis. The fourth is research finding and discussion findings and the research. This talking about the relationship between the result and the gap study. To the first part in the abstracts. Okay, I conducted this study. This abstract is contained about when I was doing my research, the method, how to collecting the data, the method of collecting data, the samples, analysis data method, research of analysis. August at method I've used is quantitative method with pre-experimental research design by applying data with writing tests, and then I collecting the students' achievement as the instruments, and the sample is one class in class 9-1, and then the analysis data method is t-test, and the result of this analysis is indicated that the alternative hypothesis or HA was accepted and the H0 was rejected. Move on to in here, we are divide the main point and the gap. We are connecting the unknown statement and the known statement as the gap. So the known thing here is the technology-driven language learning. Technology-driven language learning is increasingly applied in AFL context. And then Hairazi Utama and Hidayatullah said that mobile applications are also utilized to improve student writing skill and self-efficacy. And the unknown things is writing is a complex skill because the student need to comprehend, has a comprehend spelling, has a good grammar, a good sentence, a much vocabulary, and the structures as the unit in writing. So we can conclude the gap in the study is writing is considered to have a vital role in the production of the language, and then to build the student motivation in writing, the researchers try to learning through digital poster because Hairazi Utama and Hidayatullah said that mobile application is also improve student skill and also increase their motivation of learning, especially in writing. So the researcher tried to do learning through the Canva application, and the researchers want to know the effectiveness. Okay, let's move on to the third part. Is the research method. Here we are how that research method that we used. Is it about quantitative method, which is experimental research design? How we design the research, how the instruments that we use, kind of data analysis that we use too. Part is about the research funding and discussion. In here, the researchers conclude. The researchers is telling about the finding at the research and then discuss about that finding. So in this research, There are some findings. Is it publication was considered as a good application to practice writing, and then the results of the two tests were used as the reference for the. Also in this part, the researchers is describe what findings in the research and the discussion about the research. And the next is the conclusion. The overall research, that is findings from the current study reveal writing improvement significantly. So in here, the researchers is compared the results or the findings that have been found in this and with another study that are the kind of that they've researched. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.